Hi, it's Kevin Dolan with a tip to grow your American business with the inner game of marketing. Did you know up to 90% of your success in business has nothing to do with external factors like the economy or your competitors? Instead, the vast majority of your success hinges on what happens inside your business, your core values, daily operations, and decisions about marketing, to name a few. And that's not my idea. It's the finding of two very smart business consultants, Zook and James Allen. Their book, The Founder's Mentality, reveals how it's what's inside your business that really matters. And in my experience in marketing dating back to 1994, there are three opportunities for an internal breakthrough. Number one, referrals. What are you doing to generate and reward referrals? Number two, order size. What are you doing to increase the size and frequency of purchases? Number three, optimization. What are you doing to test and improve your marketing? Now, if you found these ideas helpful, please claim your free client cloning kit at www.clientcloningsystems.com.